Hello, Ajis, ladies and gents. Welcome to my channel. I am getting ready to install this unit. I have a tennis match in about an hour, and an hour and a half. And so I wanted to install this unit. As you guys can see, it's a brand new unit. It's one of my units that I have or had in my collection, and I'm going to be using my favorite adhesive. Please, please, please do not use the Gorilla Glue, okay? I'm going to be actually using adhesive for wigs, okay? This is the one that I use especially for being active. I know a lot of you like to cut your lace after you've applied it onto the glued area. For me, I prefer to cut my lace off my head. I know I have sight challenges, and I am not that good when it comes to cutting the lace once I've applied it. You do what is best for you and what is easier for you, and I'm going to do what's easy for me. Now, while I'm cutting the lace, I'm going to go ahead and put on my first layer. And while that is drying, I'm going to cut my lace. Doing it that way, I don't cut all the hair, okay? I find that when I apply the unit and then cut the lace off, I cut a lot of hair off. And so now you'll see, okay, this little strip right here, this is thin skin. And it has no purpose. It really doesn't, unless you are completely bald. Then this will act as a self-adhesive. It will adhere to your skin or your scalp without the need of adhesive. And then all you have to do is apply this with your Gorilla Snot Gel or your Got to Be glued hairspray, okay? This is not glue, it is hairspray. So now that you see my temple to temple is nice and clear, I'm going to apply my second coat. This unit, as you can see, okay, it has that thin skin also in the back. And then I cut off the extra lace that was in the back as well. Now, if you, like me, you don't have hair, I haven't shaven my head, so that's why I have on a stocking cap. But also, there are a lot of us who, have a reaction to the lace. We don't like the lace on our bald head, and so you can wear a wig cap or stocking cap to prevent any irritation of your scalp, okay? And now we're just going to bring this unit in all of its glory. I'm trying to look in my mirror. I want to make sure that the back is nice and secure, or where I want it, before I start bringing it forward, okay? Just want to make sure I got ear to ear. I look for these little tabs here on both sides for that other piece right there, and then you have your unit where it's supposed to be. That's supposed to be right around the ear area. Of course, you can put it down anywhere you want it to be, but that's what I look for. So now I'm just going to lay the lace down into the adhesive. And notice I did not put adhesive here or here, so I'm going to go in and do that now. Move the hair out of the way. You want to make sure it's nice and clean. You want to make sure you get the lace in the adhesive. Now I'm going to get some makeup and cover up this lace. Alright guys, I'm going to be using this Almang. This is hot fudge, and I like to get it when it's nice and dark brown for my skin tone. You guys see that? To get the other brown, the other colors that have more of a reddish tone is not a good match for me. So I like this hot fudge, and I'm just applying it directly on top of the lace. And that is how I make my lace more invisible. See how it's just blending in better now with my skin tone. This is what it looks like before, and this is after. Most of these units all come with baby hairs or wispy hairs. And so I take my Gorilla Snot gel on my finger and I just pull out some of those like so. Nothing overly dramatic. You just want to cover up the lace area part. You just want the baby hairs to come out and camouflage. All right, so that is so much better, yeah. And now my unit is on and ready for play. All right, so, all right, guys, so thanks for watching. Be blessed and a blessing, and I'll see you on the next one. This is the Lady of Lace Wigs signing off for now. Oh, and I will be coming back to do a video on how I remove adhesive from my custom units, my expensive units. Okay, so thanks for watching, and if you have any other requests, leave them in the comment section. Alright guys, so I am back from my tennis match, which did not go as I wanted, but it was 81 degrees, which means it was probably around 90 degrees on the court. And I have zero energy playing in that kind of temperature. So anyway, but my unit, as you guys can see, this is how I wore it. Cute, right? At least I looked good on the court. All right. May not have played, I may have played like crap, but I looked good, so that was the main thing, right? You always take something positive out of it. But anyway, you guys, so yeah, so I absolutely Love my curls. Alright guys, so I'm getting a little more light. This is what it looks like after I remove my hat from my tennis match. So I'm still connected, and you don't see the lace in the front, which is great. Now I'm getting ready to take a nice bath and soak, and yeah, just giving you an update. This is my favorite adhesive of all times, especially if you're active, you're doing a lot of sweating because of your activities, and I love it, so thanks.